morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are at Moss. Reason for that is some of you will know that I'm trying to fit my windscreen at the moment and it's not working. After posting up pictures of the windscreen, they all think the rubber is the wrong one, so we're going to go in here and buy another one, make sure it's the right one, and then we're going to try and fit the windscreen. Right, so finished in Moss and one windscreen rubber. Spoken to the guys in there obviously about it, and as everybody else says, they're absolutely ridiculous to fit. Now, he did say that they are getting them from the original supplier. He said, and the one I bought from another company, which I won't say, they don't. So hopefully this is going to go a bit better. So it's time to drive home and have a go.
A few moments later.
So here we go, we're going to have another attempt at it now, and let's see how this goes.
Violence to end violence. For those who were lost. Violence to end violence. For those who were lost. Those violent, for those violent, for those. Round one didn't go to plan. Okay, why not? Wow, that's in there. Right, round two. The chocolate connoisseurs of us will notice that Bonos have 2 bars in, not 1. And I'm not going to eat all the bar until I've got this in. So, let's see. Right, I was struggling with the last bit. And the reason I was struggling with the last bit is because it's glued. Look. Now if I get a blade there and pull that open. So 2 minutes. It's in. Well, stage 1. 3 attempts to put the rubber in. Technically 2 wasn't my fault, manufacturers. But it's now time for glass. Or is it time for Kinder Bueno? Glass. Then I can reward myself with Kinder Bueno. Let's see. Part 1 of fitting the glass. Good old Mr. Muscle, not sponsored, promise. I'm not sure how much the camera caught of that, but she's in. She's in. You know what that means, don't you? You know what that means? Means Bueno number 2. There she is, boys and girls. Now don't get me wrong, I know she needs a locking strip, but that isn't a major achievement. Winner! Right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed that. I did. Loads. I've said before, don't use these as tutorials. They ain't. It's more of a not what to do, really. And it's also the progress of my Mini. Some people might agree with what I do, some people won't agree with what I do. Hopefully you're all enjoying what I'm doing, what I'm up to. I've had loads of subscribers recently, absolutely great. I'm so happy with that. Must be doing something right. Couple of shout outs. Graham on Facebook, giving me loads of advice on how to fit the windscreen, really helpful. It's also been Sean C, DB Mini, and Minimat TV as well, all really rooting for me to get this windscreen in. It's a big thing for me, this. It's not a test of mechanical skill, it's a test of patience, and a test of resistance as well, because it's a silly way to do it, I think. I'm sure they had their reasons back in the day, but
I've done quite a few old car windscreens and windows, and I don't do them that way. So it's just a little outro basically. I hope you're all enjoying. I know I've still got to fit the fillet. I'm hopefully getting a tool for that. So you know what that means. That means another video very, very soon of me fitting the fillet. And I've also got 2 little jobs that I'd like to do. I always believe that you should do the little things as well. They might not need doing right now, but they need doing at some point, and it's always nice to get a sense of achievement when you've done something. So we'll crack on with that. So again, please like, subscribe, and there's a little bell icon. I know if you can press that, then it notifies you when I upload a video, if you want to see this beautiful face. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.